Did you Xbox just turn on by itself for absolutely no reason? What?
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Ben Beps and welcome to what will be my last video of the year of 2021. A year which started with us in lockdown and is ending with me working full-time over a few different jobs. It's been a year which in one sense has been very long and a lot has changed throughout, but in another sense has gone like the blink of an eye. It feels like yesterday was last Christmas. Let's analyse what has happened in between last Christmas and this Christmas. Yeah, also, not excluding the fact I broke my phone at work. Probably the worst thing to come out of November. We'll have to buy a new phone sometime. So yeah, let's get into this recap. What has happened throughout 2021, at least for me, and everything that's happened on my channel and social media. Let's start with 2021 recap. Six-ish weeks, I guess, but 4 weeks of bulking, if you get where I'm coming from with those dates. Videographer and photographer. I've worked with brands such as Now Drinks, Hi-Fi Man and Bumblezest. Last spring I think I got my first clothing line work, although I don't really count that because it was just literally me taking a couple photos. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps and today I'm going to be filming a dance video over at the Golf and Country Club, which is behind my house. First take to show you that there wasn't much movement or anything. I was literally just standing there and filming, and then you can see how I progressed to being more confident with shooting this dance video as we got further through. You'll see later on in one of the end clips, I think, where I'll be a lot more confident, there'll be a lot more movement. I go right round Katie in like 300. For photos I've got so far, I've actually got some ones which I'm quite happy of you, if I'm allowed to include them. Sweet. Now we're here at this like calisthenics part because this is the one thing I wanted to do today to get photos here. Sophie. Track downloads, access all premium tracks, 100% more music, whitelist your YouTube channel, support artists, no ads, $6.99 per month, that's Great British. Group C, Austria, Macedonia, Ukraine, Netherlands, I think we know who's topping that one. Then Ukraine second, Austria third. Is that Macedonia or North Macedonia? Doesn't even make a difference, it's still finished fourth.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
So that has been everything that has happened in 2021, condensed down into what I imagine is just a few minutes. As we go into 2022, I think I'm going to be approaching this year slightly differently to the previous ones, not just because I'm no longer at college or at school or anything like that and I'm working now, also because of different fitness and content creation goals I have for myself and the way I want to go about approaching a new year, working towards doing this full time. I think that'll be a topic for another video, but all I can say is that 2022 is definitely going to be a very interesting and certainly exciting year for me and for everybody who supports what I do and my content creation stuff. And on that note, I want to say a big thank you to everybody who has supported on Instagram, on YouTube, and on all my social networks or anything, my brand, any of what I do. Thank you so much for the support which you have shown throughout the past year. Thank you for all the likes, comments, new subscribers, new followers, people who have collaborated with me, helped me build up my brands, and been good friends and people who support me. Thank you so much to all of you guys who are watching. Thank you to everyone who has been a part of my year in 2021, and I wish you all a happy new year. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.